Hey guys, welcome back to another review. Today we're going to review the Harbor Freight Drill Master. Let's just call it the cheapie. The cheapie, I don't know what you'd call it. Handheld drill thing. Okay, there you go. This came as the 80-piece Rotary tool set. And we've got the tag on there to tell us that. And I was hoping it would be good for some light jobs. On-off switch. There you go. On-off switch works. And it spins, right? As you can see, it definitely wobbles a lot. And I'm not even putting this under any stress. So anyway, quality-wise, it is very, very light. And if you've ever used one of these, this holds down the shaft, locks it in so you can tighten it and loosen it. And then you just have this for hand tightening on the collar here. So if I just spin this, you can see how not straight it is. So I'm hoping this is just a faulty one and there are better ones out there. Now I'm outside of the free returns, so it's not going to be easy to return this and get my money back. I just didn't use it enough in that time to be able to do that. But anyway, it came with all these accessories. Now this came with it, those right there came with it. Now as you can see, this is also my Dremel kit. And this is the Dremel that I use on a regular basis. And I think it's dirty in here because the switch cuts out on me when I have it at full blast. But this has been years and years of faithful service. But I bought the little one from Harbor Freight to test it and to see if it would stand up to some light jobs when maybe I'll put this down for cleaning. Maybe I'll just buy a new one. I don't know, because this one, let me show you what happens when I try to use it. Now, I don't have a second hand, so I tighten this down. So it's in there. Can't pull it out. Now, let's show you in action. Now, this is plastic, so really it's not that strenuous. All right, here we go. On. Yeah, so in a matter of probably 3 seconds, this thing loosened up and the bit came right out. I've not found anything that I can use to tighten this up any harder. I'm gonna try to tighten it with some pliers, see if it works better. I'll be back. I'll be back after I tighten it with pliers and we'll try again. Alright, we're back. I used pliers to tighten this. And I did, and I heard a crack. So maybe I broke it. I mean, this is so cheaply made, I don't even know if it'll work now. So, let's see, we'll put it in the same hole, so we're really not putting any stress on it, and see what she does. So far, so good. Let's make another hole here. It has no power. I mean, if I put any stress on it, it just bogs down. So right now, you won't even drill for me. Let's go. You can do it. It's just plastic. I mean, at least it's spinning, right? Can you hear that? There is no power. It is doing the job slowly. So right now we... So far it's working. Well, am I impressed that it's working? Yes. Do I think that it's going to survive my job? No. Alright, let's see. Line this up a little bit. Try and put a hole here. Do this. This is not easy with one hand. Alright, well, it's still doing the job. That's good. Oh my goodness, there is no power. Okay. Still surviving. Surprisingly enough. Put a hole here. Oh, come on, guys. Start your hole. Let's go. Yeah. Here we go. We're getting through. Like I said, if I push too hard, it really doesn't want to work. Okay, I better turn it off before I overheat it. So, RPM 16,000, voltage 12 volt. So what can I say? Am I impressed in what it can do? No. I think if I was grinding out rust or something, it's not going to handle that. Am I impressed that it held up and didn't come loose again? Yeah, I'm impressed with that. So, what can I say? Whoops. Is it cheap and weak? Yes. Will it do the job for me? No. I'll probably burn this out if I use it regularly. So my review is, if you need this to do big jobs, I would say don't do it. Let's go look at my Dremel here. What's that? 5,000 to 35,000 RPMs. Let's see if you can see that. 5,000 to 35,000. And this thing is heavy. Like, this is heavy duty. This sucker, I should just buy another one of these. So this is nowhere close. This is, well, 16,000. I mean, I don't ever use that unless it's full strength, the Dremel. So that does make a difference there. Anyway, am I impressed with it? No. Will it do the job sometimes? I'll keep it until it burns out, but I don't think I'll buy another one. So, if you're working on little, maybe jewelry, I don't know, put some comments down below if you have this and what you use it for and what it works for. That way maybe it'll work for some people doing other jobs, but for me, doing industrial stuff and bumper repair, probably I would pass on this. I'd give it a thumbs down for my job, but you know, if it works for you, let everyone know in the comments what it works to do. and I'm just showing you a picture of the grass. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so let's get a frame here of the drill. Rotary tool, let's call it that, because that's what it is sold as. So yeah, so that's my review. It's too weak for what I do, but if you want a light duty rotary tool, go find the 80-piece rotary tool set. I think I paid like, I had a coupon and probably paid like $5 for it. So it's all yours. It's at Harbor Freight. Enjoy. Like, subscribe, and follow for other tool reviews. Catch you later. Have a great day.